Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're showing you today this beautiful all stainless steel and aluminum construction tabletop chain conveyor by FP Developments in Pennsylvania. It's a 4.5-inch tabletop chain by about 13.5 feet long. Included on the unit is a bottle orienting / locating system, I guess we can call it. Each one moves independently, so if you had an off-center container, for instance, they are both three-phase drive, same speed. The lower tube on the bottom you see there is hollow if you want to run utilities, power, air, water, etc. through there, should they be needed and you want to keep them concealed or a sanitary environment. There are mounting points for all the rails, and should you need it, we can install them for you. Your direct drive right there. Beautiful, nice, compact, and it does have this full card that goes over it. Adjustable feet, as you can see. We have lots of conveyors in stock, as well as everything in process and packaging, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, unless you're there already, of course. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.